It's time for our weekly Shop Talk. This week, we inspect what we expect. As an owner or manager of an automotive service center, it's essential to inspect what we expect from our employees and our service processes. This helps us ensure that we provide the best customer service, improve our operations, and achieve our business goals. Today's video discusses key areas to focus on when inspecting what we expect. Employee performance. Regularly evaluate the performance of your employees to ensure they are meeting your expectations in terms of work quality, customer service, and adherence to standard operating procedures. Provide constructive feedback, coaching, and training to help them improve and succeed. Service processes. Regularly review and evaluate your service processes to ensure that they are efficient, effective, and meet the needs of your customers. Consider using metrics and data to identify areas for improvement and make changes as needed to optimize your processes. Customer satisfaction. Continuously gather feedback from your customers to understand their level of satisfaction with your services. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement and make changes to better meet their needs. Equipment maintenance. Ensure that all of your equipment is well maintained and in good working order. Regularly inspect and test your equipment to identify any potential issues before they become problems and take action to repair or replace equipment as needed. Safety standards. Ensure that your service center adheres to all relevant safety standards and regularly inspect your facilities and processes to identify and address any potential hazards. By regularly inspecting what we expect, we can improve our operations, better meet the needs of our customers, and achieve our business goals. As owners and managers, it's our responsibility to lead by example and drive the continuous improvement of our service center.
Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.